What if an ancient mystical law, something whispered by sages thousands of years ago, actually held the key to a major breakthrough in quantum physics? And what if that one shared truth could reveal how your own inner peace is tied to the fundamental nature of the entire cosmos? The principle is stunningly simple. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This isn't some new age mantra. It's a timeless axiom from Hermetic philosophy. And seeing how it lines up with modern science might just change the way you look at, well, everything. For most of human history, we saw the world as solid. A chair was a chair, a rock a rock. But in the last century, science decided to look closer, much closer. And what it found turned our view of reality completely on its head. At the subatomic level, the world of quantum physics, nothing is truly solid. That chair you're sitting on, it's really a hurricane of atoms in constant, furious motion. And every one of those atoms is made of particles, which are better described as waves or oscillating fields of energy. So what we perceive as solid matter is mostly empty space, animated by tiny vibrating fields of energy. This is where things get really interesting. Modern physics shows that everything in the universe is in a state of constant energetic motion. So when ancient mystics said everything moves, everything vibrates, they weren't just being poetic. They were describing a core aspect of the cosmos that science is now exploring through the language of quantum mechanics. It's a universe made not of static things, but of living, moving energy. You may be thinking, so what does this cosmic dance have to do with you? If everything in the universe is a field of vibration, it gives us a powerful new way to think about ourselves. This is where we take a step from physics into philosophy. While science doesn't measure the vibration of an emotion in the same way it measures a light wave, we can use this as a powerful metaphor for our inner world. You already know this intuitively. You felt the good vibes at a party or the heavy, tense energy in a room after an argument. These feelings, peace, love, anxiety, gratitude, can be seen as our personal energetic signature. They're the quality of the energy we put out into the world. When you feel a sense of deep peace, you are, metaphorically speaking, hitting a harmonious rhythm. When you're tangled up in stress, your inner world feels chaotic and out of tune. You're not separate from this vibrating universe. You are a part of it. The energy you cultivate inside yourself is your unique contribution to the cosmic symphony. Understand that this isn't just a cool thought experiment. It's a practical tool. It empowers you to consciously shift your inner state and find peace, even when the world outside is anything but peaceful. Here are 3 simple ways to tune your personal vibration. Your breath is the most direct way to change your physical and emotional state. When you're stressed, your breathing gets shallow and fast. By deliberately slowing down and taking deep, rhythmic breaths, you send a powerful signal to your nervous system that it's time to relax. You physically interrupt the pattern of stress and introduce a pattern of calm. Sound is literally vibration we can hear. Ever put on a song that instantly lifts your spirits or calms your mind? That's your brain responding to the sound. Using sound, whether it's uplifting music, nature sounds, or even the resonant hum of your own voice, can guide your inner state toward harmony. It's about using an external rhythm to influence your internal one, helping your brain release feel-good neurochemicals like dopamine. And third, the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is more than just a polite thank you. It's a state of being. It's the conscious act of focusing your mind on what's good and what you appreciate. Focusing on thoughts of gratitude can shift your emotional state from one of lack to one of abundance and peace. This focus changes the signal you're sending to yourself and, metaphorically, to the world around you. This is a huge topic, and we've only just scratched the surface. If this way of thinking resonates with you and you want to explore more tools for connecting ancient wisdom with modern life, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, I've got a question for you. What's one thing you do to find your center when life gets chaotic? Drop it in the comments below. It's the little things in life that can have a profound impact on others. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. The ancient idea that nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates is more than just a neat concept. It's a key to understanding your place in the universe. It shows us that the cosmos isn't a static machine, but an interconnected web of living energy. You are not a passive observer in this reality. You are an active participant. By consciously choosing to cultivate inner peace, you're not just changing your mood. You're changing your energetic signature. You're aligning yourself with the most harmonious rhythms of the universe. You aren't just a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. So, what song will you add to the symphony? Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Now get tuned up.